The Crypto Markets Update is presented by Grayscale, the world's largest digital currency asset manager.
Time now for our live look at Bitcoin. The CoinDesk Bitcoin price XVX index currently trading at $45,781. Bitcoin slightly down almost 3% over the past 24 hours. And the CoinDesk Ether price ETX index is at 33.39. ETH also in retreat about 2.5%. And the new DFX CoinDesk's DeFi index taking a step back about 3.6%, trading at 577. Joining us now to discuss the crypto markets is Mario Gomez Lozada, co-founder of PowerTrade and founder of Liquid.com in Vietnam. Welcome to the show, Mario. So what opportunities are you seeing in the crypto markets right now?
Well, I think for the time being, we're going to see a flat price, I think maybe for the next few weeks. If it goes down to 42,000 from what it is right now, we might see it go down even further. But if it stays above 42,000, we might see it go up maybe 52,000 from there.
So Mario, where exactly are the flows going? You know, this is something that we've talked about several times on our program. It just seems that money, at least assets, digital assets, are flowing in large quantities from one wallet to another, but it doesn't necessarily, it seems like it's not just about retail, but it's not necessarily institutions pouring new money in. It seems more like things are moving around. What exactly is going on?
I do think there's a lot of leverage happening right now, which is causing all the price swings that we've seen over the past 2 days. But with the flush that we had, I call it flush because of the significant pullback, I believe we see some stability, mainly driven by spot markets.
Mm-hmm. So, do you think that that's going to continue? I mean, are we seeing any indication that that leverage is at least going to be here for a while, or do you think that some of this will get flushed out as the prices continue to fall?
I think we've seen a good pullback. I don't think it's going to fall that much further. Leverage doesn't seem to be coming back as far as I can see, and from what I'm seeing right now. What I do see is there's a lot of spot activity happening right now, which I think is a positive thing for the market, because it's going to make it more stable in the long run.
And are you moving into alts versus Bitcoin, or what's your outlook on other altcoins?
I don't really do alts. The only one that I do is Ethereum that I can tell you about. Ethereum, for a while, it seemed like it was going to do really well, touching 4,000 and so, but then there was a pullback. Right now, what I guess is happening is that people are just in a wait-and-see situation to see what happens next.
Yeah, so now you're not taking. Are you taking an actual position in ETH, or are you, for the time, you're just kind of sitting on the sideline and you're not taking any either cash or derivatives position on it?
I do take long-term positions. I hold for the long term. So short-term, mid-term, it's hard to tell, but I do feel for the long term is going to go up quite a bit. So
is it the time to accumulate?
Yes, that's right.